Problem. So let me show you the questionnaire. The questionnaire, I would say the conversation which we are to do. जो हमको करना है वो एक छोटा सा conversation है. There are 10 conversation in that only. 10 conversation है उसके अंदर, and then we'll be going with that. So पहले आपको छोटे छोटे conversation topics दिखा देती हूँ. आप लोग on the spot भी बनाकर एक दूसरे से बातचीत कर सकते हैं. Now you are at that level where you can do.
Yes.
Just a second. Okay, so it has opened here.
Mobile are selling at a throwaway price nowadays. Mobiles are selling at a throwaway price nowadays.
Okay, so these are the conversations. The first one is about, it is about how are you getting with your studies? आपकी पढ़ाई कैसी चल रही है? The second one is about if you have gone through the questionnaire, or I would say the conversation. पता नहीं मैं questionnaire क्यों बोल रही हूँ. So yeah, if you have gone through the conversation, the second conversation is about buying a new mobile. Which one should I buy, kind of. And then we have when somebody is taking too much time of doing something, आप कह सकते हैं you are taking too long. So yeah, you can go with this. The fourth one is आप बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं. Are you going somewhere? Where are you going? That kind of thing is there. There is a function in my college. I'm going there. Then another one is really very wonderful because it is about not feeling well. बोलते हैं ना हम लोग today I'm feeling this. आज मुझे चक्कर आ रहा है. So I'm feeling dizzy or giddy. This is also one of the suggestion जिसको हम कह सकते हैं seeing a doctor, to meet a doctor or consulting with a doctor. Then we have it's raining. As we know, it is very common nowadays. If it is raining heavily or showering or pouring, depend करता है. Showering रिमझिम बारिश को कहते हैं. गीले मत हो जाना. That kind of thing is there. Take an umbrella. As you guys are learning spoken English nowadays, along with some of the grammar portions. So yeah, you can say that I'm improving my, I'm improving my English. I have joined this institute like that. Okay, one more is there, that is standing in a queue of electricity bill. So now we have online modes of payment, so we can just suggest that also to somebody. Okay, the next one is about shifting to another city, one of the situations, I would say. And the last one is about when you're doing something really mind-boggling. Mind-boggling is completely something boring which is not happening at all. So yeah, then the last one is this. Okay, so I just want you keep, now you are not actually nil. You guys are very much okay with on the spot speaking also. Now you can, even you were able to do that. Now you can also add some sentences from your side, some speaking from your side. Not only the questionnaire, not only that hi hello wala, तुम्हारा नाम क्या है और ये और वो, इसके अलावा भी now you are able to handle such conversations. Okay, so let's start with, as we say, women empowerment. So I'm Sarika and Babita, and I really believe that both of them are ready. Sarika is ready with all. She's all ready with all open hair. Jalwa dikhane ko tayar, huh? She's going to.
No, I used to keep my hair open, actually. So that's why it doesn't mean that.
It suits you. It suits
I'm
you.
just learning, madam. That's why I've joined this, Paramount.
No, actually, it suits you, that open hair. Sometimes it happens now when we do something, and then sometimes it happens now when we wash our hair, and फिर वो अच्छे दिखते हैं तो अलग.
But I used to keep open. Yeah, I used to keep open. Although here it's too humid and very hot. Hello, Babita. Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm okay. But yesterday I had little fever. So I would, so I will see the doctor tomorrow. Let's see. And what about you?
I'm also fine
You're looking gorgeous today.
because I am sit in another room, lighting in. That's why I'm looking.
Your voice is not too much clear, Babita. Just increase your voice because yeah,
Speak aloud.
yes,
Speak aloud.
speak aloud, little.
Okay,
And so, uh, tell me about yourself.
myself.
Yeah.
Yeah, why not? Of course. My name is Babita. I have done graduation. I have done post graduation, JBT and B.Ed also. And now I am uh, improve English. That's it. And
Okay.
what about you, ma'am?
Seems married. You are married, na? I think. So, how many
Yes,
children do you have?
I have one child. His name is Lavya.
How old is he?
He is 5 years old.
Okay. But you doesn't look that you are married.
Thanks for this compliment.
You're so maintained. Good. And what
Babita,
does your hubby do?
Babita, say. Same with you. Same with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Our daughter, our daughter who has done his BTech from IIT, and now she's preparing for UPSC.
But you don't look
Oh,
And
that you
but
have
you,
thank you.
yes,
such
ma'am.
Thank
grown
you.
daughter, huh?
Hmm. Okay.
Ma'am,
And what,
now
pardon?
you, ma'am, now you are improve your English. What is the reason behind this?
Like, I'm fond of English. I used to
Yes,
read small stories and something. Although I'm very poor, he teases me always. Your English is because I studied from the Hindi medium also. I
okay.
belong to Indore and Mau. So, but
Hmm.
I love English. So I want to improve myself more and more. Like Khushbu ma'am, she's so smart and dashing.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah. And
uh,
I'm very surprised that she
really,
was the student before some year. I heard about that she was a student of this class. Now she's doing job. So I'm so surprised. I told about her
you
to
are
my,
also working.
yeah, I'm a
You are,
teacher. I'm a teacher in government school.
wow. That's why I'm. I really feel that you are a working woman, and your way of talking and your English is so good. So
Now,
uh,
I
I
don't know.
sometimes
Khushbu
I
ma'am
really
knows
feel.
Khushbu ma'am knows where I stand over there. But yeah, lots of mistake I do. My husband and my daughter, she teases me always, Mama, you must learn something because your grammar is very poor. Where you have to use this word and this kind of thing. So I do a lot of mistakes, but I'm trying to improve myself. So among you
Same
people, I'll
here, ma'am.
improve definitely. Yeah.
And you
And
really
what
inspire
what
me.
what do you? Let me ask what your husband do? What does he do?
My hus my husband is Indira Gandhi Airport, IGI Airport. Now he is not working. Uh,
He's
he is a PSM in the airport.
Air Force. Okay.
Airport, ma'am. Airport.
Airport. Airport.
Airport.
I'm not getting.
Airport. Airport.
In the
Okay.
ma'am Delhi
Airport.
के
Airport.
जो
He
Okay.
works.
Okay. In airport. Okay.
but due to COVID, now he still at home.
Actually, I'm just talking there with mobile, so it's not clear audible your voice. But okay, maybe that you applied that your earplugs, so that's why it's not. Ma'am, Khushbu ma'am, are you audible from this side,
She's
Babita ma'am?
audible. Babita, speak high. Speak high.
Ma'am, I'm speaking very
She's
loudly.
audible. She's audible. She's audible. Maybe that
Okay,
maybe that.
I
my
think
side, maybe this side, huh?
speak
Some
more
problems
loudly.
going on.
It will be rude. It will be rudely. That's why I'm speaking. Speak more. Speak more loudly.
No, it's okay. Now, okay.
It's okay.
I think our time has been gone. Our time is done. I'm waiting that the ma'am will say that, okay, your time is over. No.
No, ma'am. No,
So
I
what do
want to. Excuse me, ma'am. Sarika, ma'am, I want to know about you. Please tell me
Okay.
a few lines
I'm a-
about you.
Yeah, definitely. I've told you, as I have told you that I have a daughter. She has done IIT from BHU, and now she's preparing for UPSC. And my husband is a doctor. He's in government hospital. And what else you want to know? I teach junior high school. I teach in junior high school, 6th, 7th,
Okay.
8th. And
Which subject?
uh, if I'll say no, you'll laugh. In government school, I
God.
teach
We
English
will not laugh.
because I love, I love English. Now that's why I've chosen this subject. And
Okay.
I teach English and geography. Although I did my MA in art subject, art side, but
Okay, ma'am.
I love English, so I've taken that.
Ma'am, same here. I am also I am also like English, but I am also Hindi medium student, so I have the same problem, same when I do the practice and when I want to speak. So let's see
But you
how.
look so confident. But
I
you look
think we
so
will.
confident.
Okay, thank you. I think we will improve ourselves
Definitely.
during this.
In presence of Khushbu ma'am, we'll learn lot of things.
Yeah,
Definitely. She's a
and
good teacher.
yeah.
I'm buttering her. She might be listening.
You see my, you see my glowing skin because of that wonderful butter.
No, ma'am, your smile is so sweet. I really like your smile.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
But I want to tell you that, it's a great compliment for a teacher when a student says that, and especially the students who are of your, domain area, who are into that. If somebody says in that way that you are really like, we can improve something from you, it is like a kind of compliment, for somebody. It's like a
No,
great.
I mean it, ma'am. The day before yesterday, my husband was next to me. He was just sitting just behind me or next to me. So he was asking, see, melodious voice, is it your teacher? So many guys, yeah. So he wanted to see you, So I just camera में on करके
Thank you so
I
much.
showed I showed
Really
him.
great compliment for, especially for person.
Because you say na, when you speak so very pause wise and very nicely you speak.
Thank you.
Really, anybody can understand.
Thank
One
you.
the one who doesn't know
Actually,
English also.
the reason is the same because when you speak something, at least the message should be understood. Fluency
Right.
does not mean that it should be unclear, what I believe actually. And if you say so, if both of you and everyone, if you have that feeling that yes, we want to, we can develop, it is like, okay, I have really done something good, so that you are able to catch it, you are able to at least, learn something from me. It is a big compliment for me. And एक और चीज है which I would like to add, that when a person wants to learn something, the person
Right.
sees everything good in the next person. The reality is that if I want to learn something, I will definitely see something or the other in this next person, that okay, I can learn this from him, correct or not? But
Right.
the reality is very good, that like suppose it is not about like कौन कितने समय से किस field में है, लेकिन the reality is that experience matters a lot. So everybody has their own. I believe that Sarika ma'am also has her own experience. भाई आप English class, but this is I also sit sometimes. I go into Sandeep sir's class. I sit there because I feel that मुझे नहीं लगता कि उनसे बेहतर कोई पढ़ा रहा होगा, है ना? तो मुझे लगता है let's have something from him. Let's again have something from him. फिर से मौका मिलता है. Let's have this opportunity. और ये हमेशा अच्छा है ना that we are क्या बोलते हैं उसको, we are getting advanced version of everything. We are not outdated. We are being updated every day.
Right.
So I think Babita and Sarika, आप लोग शायद वही कर रहे हैं. You are being updated. You are not outdated. You are updated.
Thank you. It's a compliment for us. Thank you.
Yes, it is, and it is really, it is there now. It is there, and I am not buttering at all. बिल्कुल ये सच्चाई है. This is, you know, the reality, and you should be confident about it. Sometimes confidence comes with these kind of achievements also. That yes,
Right.
and Sarika, I just want to tell you, बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो बहुत अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलते हैं, and जरूरी नहीं है that they should know each and everything in grammar, है ना?
Right.
It's not important. There are so many grammarians. बहुत बड़े-बड़े मेरे साथ में मेरे सीनियर्स हैं. मैंने लोगों को देखा है, like they are of 50 years. उनको पढ़ाते 40 साल हो गए हैं, and बहुत अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलते हैं, बहुत अच्छा कम्युनिकेशन है, बहुत ही अच्छा, like उनका लेवल का the best ever. लेकिन वो you know grammarians हैं, बहुत अच्छा बात करते हैं.
Right.
मतलब
But you must tell in front of my husband. You must tell this thing in front of my husband. He should understand this.
Sure,
You know?
but वो इंग्लिश नहीं बोल पाते हैं, बड़ी-बड़ी ग्रामर्स
Right.
कुछ जानते हैं.
They
मतलब
do grammatical mistake. I know, ma'am. Yeah.
Grammatically,
Main thing is your accent should be clear. Yeah, accent should be clear, and you should be confident because you are learning day by day. Teachers, you know, wo eternity but he can never tell where his influence stops. Day by day, they are learning something.
हाँ,
So,
जरूरी
really.
नहीं है जब आप इंग्लिश पढ़ा रहे हो तो आप सब कुछ आपको आना चाहिए भाई. धीरे धीरे एवरीबडी लर्न. अब हमारे यहाँ बोलते हैं there is a saying हमारे सर ने बनाया है, we learn by osmosis. So osmosis
We
is a
learn
process. Osmosis.
Okay.
आपने देखा है,
Osmosis. Okay.
हाँ, एक लिक्विड से दूसरा लिक्विड बहुत धीरे धीरे
Right.
इट इज अ साइंस एक्सपेरिमेंट. और देखा होगा आपने एक लिक्विड से जिसकी डेंसिटी कम है वो ज्यादा डेंसिटी वाले लिक्विड में मिक्स होने लग जाता है धीरे धीरे, बट इट गोज वेरी स्लो, यू नो. तो क्या होता है कि हम वी लर्न बाय ऑस्मोसिस. सबको सब कुछ आता हो जरूरी नहीं है, लेकिन
Right.
सीखा जा सकता है. दैट कैन बी लर्न्ड. करेक्ट?
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Abhita, are you satisfied? Would you like to talk more?
No, ma'am, it's sufficient.
Sufficient? Very good.
I have done.
This is the platform where you can just speak. As you can see, today we have only 6 members in the class, including me 7. And we have a lot of time. We can spend a lot of time in conversation. No problem in that. Chalo. Let us move to next Ashish and Ranjit. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, girls. Okay, we have Ashish and Ranjit. So let's start with Ashish and Ranjit. देखो टॉपिक तो मैंने बता दिया था आप लोगों को, but you can talk of your ways also, है ना? Ashish, are you there, बेटा?
Ashish, put up your mic.
अरे इतना गुस्से से क्यों बुला रहा है? अच्छे से बुलाओ, प्यार से बुलाओ थोड़ा सा. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm ready, ma'am.
Very good. So you should be visible, huh? You should be visible.
Yeah, ma'am.
You're visible. You're visible. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start.
Yeah, ma'am.
How are you, Ashish?
How are you, Ranjit?
I am fine.
Great.
And you?
I'm also fine. What are you doing now, bro?
I am in class 12 in humanity background.
Okay. So now what's your aim?
What?
What's your aim?
What's
Aim.
your aim?
Aim.
I prepare for the UPSC. That's why I chose the humanity background.
Okay. Great. I'm also preparing for UPSC. Can you give me a suggestion? Tips for better learning?
For better learning, do meditation, yoga for your concentration. Every day with a consistency.
Yeah.
That's it. And focus on your study.
Are you complete your graduation or
Have
it's
you
a
completed? Say, have you?
I am in class 12, not on a graduation.
Have you completed?
No, I am in class 12 still. Class
Are you in
12.
12th?
12th.
Okay. Great, nice. So you are prepared for next year board exam?
Yeah, I prepare. I have completed around of 20 to 80% of syllabus completed right now. 20% is left.
Okay, nice.
This is my history book. Can't we see due to background?
Okay. So
And you?
are you, what's your board, CBSE or state board?
What?
What's
Right now I
your,
am in a state board, but I completed my 10th in a CBSE.
okay. So last previous day you can go for any trips and trekking.
Speak loudly. I can't be hearing.
Repeat
Are
your
you
question.
go? Are you
Mic
go
यहाँ
for?
पे.
Do you
Are
go?
you able to?
हाँ,
Do you go for?
हाँ,
Do you go for trekking or trips?
No, I never go for the trekking. In free time, I do exercise and play with friend with cricket only.
Okay, nice. So why are you join the Paramount English
you join.
Institute?
Why have you joined?
To improve my communication skill in English. That's why I joined the Paramount Institute.
Nice. Me too. Also improve my English, and still I have much.
I also want to improve my English. Speak like that.
I also want to improve my English, and I thanks to Khushbu ma'am to give me better
Better learning.
better stage for here through Zoom meeting, and ma'am also gave me the confidence and give the target about English learning. Ma'am is best for me today now.
Arey, thank you.
So what are you doing now? In which class do you go?
I am in under the graduate in second year for
Oh.
BSc, SY BSc chemistry.
Which college?
SYB, yeah, chemistry subject.
Oh. Are your
Yeah.
favorite subject chemistry?
Sorry?
Your favorite subject is chemistry?
Yeah, my favorite subject is chemistry.
I not. I am confusing ethanol. In my 10th class, I am very confusing sugar, ethanol acid.
No, in organic parts is so easy, but some organic parts is maybe hard for you because organic chemistry is so tough. If you not learn the starting, if you're not able to understanding the organic chemistry, because organic chemistry is fully based on basic.
I only background. That's
Sorry?
why I chose arts background. My favorite subject is history, geography, political science, sociology.
Nice. So you are belongs to arts
Okay.
Arts.
Okay.
arts student.
That means you belong
Yes,
to
sir.
arts. As a
You belong to arts.
Okay, that's your belongs to arts.
belongs नहीं बोलना है, belong बोलना है. You है ना?
Belong.
Yeah, ma'am, belong.
Yes, you belong to.
Great. So you have a much idea about history, about Indian
Yes,
culture,
arts.
and no, I don't have
Arts me.
question. I don't have question now, but I think you have a much idea about Indian history and world history.
I have much idea about Indian history, but little know about world history.
Why?
I have studied in 11th class. I forgot right now. Forgetting right now.
Okay. Yeah, I am also learned in Indian history in class 6 to class 10th NCRT book.
And
But I have मैम मेरे मुझे सब याद है उसको क्या बोलेंगे
I still remember everything.
I still remember everything.
मुझे अभी भी सब याद है ना?
are you study current affair?
Do you?
Yeah, I am.
Insight on India.
Yeah, I am learned everyday current affairs questions and also writing in my notebook.
Today you are reading current affair.
Today I am not read the current affair because of my exam. Sorry, bro.
So today
But
I
if
haven't
you
read. Today I
haven't today
Today
I
I-
haven't
Hmm.
today I haven't learned the current affair because of some problem. But if you ask two question, I will give you my best.
Yeah. Are you study spectrum any civil service
Sorry?
book? Are you study spectrum?
have you studied?
Modern India.
ऐसे
Nitin
बोलो,
Chandra.
have you studied? Have you
Hi.
studied?
Have you studied modern India spectrum book?
No. Still I am learn. Still I am learned only
I'm learning.
geography.
I'm learning.
I am learning geography parts.
No. So I wish you have in Lavajna one day.
Yeah. So, can you tell me about your past and past?
Marks. Repeat again.
Repeat the
Do
question.
you tell me about your past?
I
Past
am.
means can you elaborate
I am
the
only study.
That means your journey to
Can
how
you
to.
share your journey? Speak journey. Past तो फिर ऐसा भी हो जाता है that how many breakups did you have and then और भी कई हो जाता है ना past
I
आज
have no any girlfriends.
अलग हो
I will come.
No.
Okay, continue. I'm liking it, ना? अच्छा
Do
लग
you
रहा
have any girlfriend?
Sorry?
Do you have any girlfriend?
No,
Girlfriend.
bro. I am not in interested this
Interesting.
thing. Interesting
Why?
in this thing.
interested in this.
Interested in this thing because
Why
I
you
am
are not interested in?
ऐसे मत बोलो ऐसे फिर लड़कियों को अच्छा नहीं लगता है ना तो ऐसे बोलो be very positive about it and speak
be
that
very positive about
still-
it.
I am नहीं ऐसे नहीं बोला ऐसे बोलो I am still focusing on my studies ऐसे बोलो
Study.
थोड़ा और अच्छा
Still
लगता है
I
ना
am
लड़कियों का
still I am
कोई लड़की आपको पसंद कर रही है और आप बोल दो आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड बड़ा बेकार सा लगता है ना सो या स्पीक
yes ma'am. Still I am focusing on my study.
हाँ वेरी गुड
How many marks you got in a 12 examination board?
78%.
In a state board, CBSE.
Yeah, CBSE Kendriya Vidyalaya.
We give a lot of work projects.
Yeah. But he give the good opportunities for students, and he also give the
It
some.
एट स्कूल के बारे में बात कर रहे हो
Yes, ma'am.
इट बोलो बेटा स्कूल है ना इट बोलो
It's also give the good opportunity for like NCC and Scout and Guides in Kendriya Vidyalaya school.
okay
Any more questions to ask me?
No, still not, but you can ask me.
What?
You can ask me.
So I have no any
Huh?
question
No
to you.
problem. You can say it's nice talking to you. If both of you have done,
Ni-
you can say nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you.
Thanks.
Welcome. Thank you, ma'am.
So it is really
Thank you, ma'am.
very nice. Thank you so much, guys. It is such a nice discussion, conversation, I would say. Okay, now the two speakers still remaining, Sakshi and Harish. So I am restarting the meeting. Please join again, and then we will be listening to Sakshi and Harish. So please join together quickly. Okay.